What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Brookhaven RP fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All what you need to do guys, just open Discover on your Roblox and go here and search and type Brookhaven RP. This is the same way on PC and also on your mobile. When you search Brookhaven RP, you will see here first game, click on it and you on Brookhaven RP game. All what you need to do to play this game, just click here play button and open with your Roblox. As you can see guys, I'm now in game and all works correctly. And that's it all guys, how to play Brookhaven RP with your friends and how to join with other people in game. If this guide helps you, share with your friends, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.